And we just passed a thrift shop, so feel free to sing that song. I don't really know it that much. We're starting, so this is practically... What is that?
I don't know. What the heck?
Why is there so much like bug things?
No, they're just the leaves.
Hey, he turned! Uncle Alan turned! He turned into a driveway thing. Oh, gas station. He turned into a gas station.
With a gas station.
Whee!
Oh my god, look at all that water!
Major storm, guys. I got to get this on video. Oh. This is a major storm.
This thing is like...
He's in Speedway. Oh, yes, there's a new person.
Hey, I'm going in the back with Aiden.
Yeah. Nope, she can't see you. Do you have a light back here? Oh, we just found the light.
Trunk with it. Well, in the back. Not in the trunk.
This is Brittany. She's my cousin. You can't really see her face, but we're in the major storm together.
It's called a country storm.
In like about 6 days, guys, we're going to Florida. Probably let you know if we have another big storm like this. Because you know how Florida is and stuff. Pretty much action.
Now this is where we came from bird play, remember?
It's not that exciting anymore. Looks like it's clearing up.
There's a dead bird on the road. Or it was a squirrel. Either one. Ew.
Well, I'll get back to you guys when it gets just as looks like it is exciting. Look at all that rain on the road. I'll get back to you guys when it gets really exciting. Bye.